CIMT College has the most complete renovation and construction program with over 300 hours of hands-on learning where students are working with tools and building equipment. In our Renovation and Construction Technician Diploma program, students learn both the theoretical aspects of renovations and construction, plus earn a hands-on practical experience, which employers are seeking. In the theoretical courses, students learn about safety on building sites and with tools, building codes and their implementation, project management for construction, including budgeting and estimating to understand how to plan and execute building project from start to finish. Students explore blueprints and project design using AutoCAD software, which teaches them about drafting and annotation of blueprints so they can set up and plot a basic layout. Students also learn about customer acquisition, service, and management so they can build their own home renovation small business. During the tool and the shop equipment course, students purchase up to $750 in tools of the trade for them to keep and to use on their future job sites. In the practical aspects of the Renovation and Construction Technician program, students learn about foundation and rough carpentry, including framing with wood and metal, and how to design stairs and build rafters in finished carpentry. They learn about trim and casing, baseboard, and crown molding. Students develop skills in drywalling, mudding and sanding, as well as soundproofing, vapor barriers, and painting techniques. Next comes ceiling systems and flooring, where students learn about installation of hardwood, laminate, ceramic, including heated tiles and carpets. There are 3 introductory courses of electrical, HVAC, plumbing, which provide basic instruction on how to install a receptacle or switch and run electrical wire, and how to solder copper pipe and work with ABS. The most exciting part of the program is that after finishing the theoretical in-class portion of the program, students start construction on a multi-room home of their own design. During the 250 hours Build a House course, students start with a blueprint, learning to estimate the cost and order the materials. Then the students actually practice the skills for framing, drywalling, flooring, ceiling, trim, painting, and they construct their multi-room home from the ground up. Lastly, students perform the demolition of their build project to learn how to salvage for the next job. The average salary for this field starts in the mid-level range, and it can increase as you earn experience and depending on which area you wish to focus, from being a construction worker or a home renovator or a contractor or a subcontractor. Buildforce Canada has done employment research for the next 10 years to determine job prospects for renovation and construction technicians. Their projection shows an extended period of gain in employment, with the biggest gain being in the Greater Toronto Area and Central Ontario. In fact, there has been a 25 years consistent expansion which has doubled construction employment. With the wide variety of training in this program, students will be absorbed quickly into the workforce at various construction companies, renovation, business, custom home builders, or if they prefer, they could start their own small business and become self-employed. CIMT College provides you with education and training for success in the field of renovation and construction. Call us today and start to build your new career tomorrow.